Hi, this is your financial advisor, Erwin Leo Garcia. So, pag-uusapan po natin ngayon ang new plan or policy ni Life, which is Retire Assure. So, si Retire Assure, just to let you know po, this is a plan focused more on retirement. So, disclaimer lang po, this plan is not a replacement sa mga retirement package na meron kayo like GSIS, SSS, or if ever yung company nyo is nag-offer ng retirement package. So this is just to boost your existing retirement package. So ito lang pong example na to is for a 30 years old na gusto niya mag-ipon ng 5,000 per month para may pangdagdag siyang income or pera pagdating ng retirement niya. So si client, 30 years old nga po, at gusto niya mag-retire at the age of 60. So makikita natin dito na yearly ang contribution niya is 60,000. So this plan, you have an option to select kung gusto mo mag-contribute monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, or annually. So may option din kayo if ever mas malaki yung gusto niyo makuha pag nag-retire kayo, pwede niyong taasan yung premium. So the minimum for this is 3,000 per month and you can go over kung magkano yung gusto nyong um, premium para syempre mas malaki yung monthly income payment niyo or monthly income payout niyo. So for this example, ayun nga po, makaka-receive si client ng guaranteed monthly income from age 60 hanggang age 100. Then there is also a death benefit. Kung magkano po yung total na binayaran ni client, the death benefit would be 110% of the total basic premium paid, or if ever mas malaki na po yung guaranteed cash value, yun na po yung ma-receive ni beneficiary. And starting at age 60 is around 4,809. So kaya sabi ko kanina, this is not a replacement of your current um, pension or SSS or anuman. So it would be a level up. So parang this plan is like an annuity plan. So ang gagawin niya is, sige, ibigay niyo kay Insular Life or ibigay niyo sa amin yung pera. Then ang gagawin namin, pag nag-ipon kayo, pag gusto niyo nang kunin yung pera, we can provide to you the money through lump sum or if ever gusto niyo bang kunin yun through monthly. So mapapansin natin dito na the total premium paid ni client is 600,000. So may option si client. O client, gusto mo bang kunin na yung pera mo before ka mag-retire? So at age 59, so nag-grow na yung money niya from 600,000 to 964,497. So syempre, i-compare natin if nag-ipon tayo ng 600,000 sa bangko, it will not grow this much, di ba? So this is a guaranteed money. So ayun nga, if ever client, kung gusto mo namang kunin yung pera before ka mag-retire, so ito yung makukuha niya. But if ever, ay ayaw ko, gusto ko, may monthly ako makukuha from Insular Life. So, yun nga, starting at age 60, makaka-receive na siya ng monthly payout at 4,809. So, nag-i-increase ito kasi nga meron siyang cash dividend na increasing every year. So mapapansin natin dito, upon reaching age 75, the total payment or the total payout na na-receive na ni client is 1,030,867. So mas mataas na siya, di ba? Then, if ever gusto kong i-surrender yung plan, may makukuha pa akong 300,000. So, paano naman ang tanong, Erwin? Paano kung hindi umabot si client at bigla siyang nag-pass away? So, sabi ko nga kanina, if ever, may death benefit pa din siya. So, that would be 110% of the total premium payment. So, for example, here, on the fourth year, nakailan na siya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, meron na siyang na hulog na 300,000. So, unfortunately, he joined our creator. So, the death benefit would be 330,000. Pero halimbawa, yun nga, nag-pass away si client before niya na-reach yung retirement niya. So, 600,000 yung total contribution for this plan, which is 660 death benefit. Pero kanyari at age 50, nag-pass away si client, the guaranteed cash value is higher than the death benefit, which is the 110%. So, ang ibibigay sa beneficiary ni insured is yung higher na. So, kunyari at 50, 772, 635. Ayan. Pero paano naman, Erwin? Kunyari, nag-pass away si client while we are giving the payout. So, mapapansin natin dito, lumiliit yung death benefit. So, the death benefit is ito po siya. Makikita natin, di ba, tumataas yung death benefit niya. But, pagdating po ng distribution ng money, lumiliit naman po yung death benefit kasi nga po, binabawasan na natin yung pera at binibigay na natin yung living benefit sa client natin. Then, kung ano man po yung sukle or natira doon sa parang ipon ni client, so yun naman po yung mapupuntang death benefit. So, wala pong talo dito sa plan na to. Then, ang kagandahan po nito is there is no need for medical. So if you have pre-existing condition, kahit ano pa man po yan, automatic approved na po yan dito sa Insular Life. So this plan, meron po tayong 5 years to pay, 10 years to pay, regular pay. Pag regular pay, kunyari, si client is 30 years old at gusto niya mag-retire at age 60, so pwede siya mag-contribute at age 30 hanggang age 59. So, syempre, mas mahaba yung contribution period, mas malaki yung potential na mas malaki yung payout niya pag nag-retire siya. Pwede niya ring piliin hanggang age 65. So, that would be age 30 hanggang age 64. So, syempre, mas mahaba yung contribution, mas malaki pa rin yung payout. So, sabi ko nga kanina, the minimum for this one is 3,000 per month. Pero if ever you want your contribution shorter, kunyari 5 years to pay, the minimum would be doubled. So that would be 6,000 per month. Kasi nga, syempre, mas maiksi. Pero yun nga, if ever, ang plan nyo po is gusto nyo mas malaki yung monthly payout, you may want to consider longer paying period or a regular pay or higher monthly contribution. So if you have question po, feel free to send us a message, send me an email, or uh, call us po. Ayan. Thank you.